friends, welcome to Ranju's Food Fusion. I'm Ranju. Today I'm going to make matri with whole wheat flour in two different ways. One I'll make regular matri and the another one I'll make achari matri. So let's start the recipe.
In a large bowl, take 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Add 1 and 1/4 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Add half teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Mix all the dry ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use desi ghee also. Mix it well so oil and flour get well combined. Now add water slowly to make a dough. Make firm dough. Now cover it and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take some oil on your hands and knead the dough only for 1 to 2 minutes. Now divide the dough in 2 portions. With one portion we will make salted matri and with another portion we will make achari matri. Now brush some oil on the surface. Now take one ball of dough and roll it. It should not be too thin and shouldn't be too much thick. Now with the help of pizza cutter, cut into thin strips. Then cut it diagonally from the other side. Now heat some oil in a pan or kadahi. Oil should be medium hot, not too much hot. And here you can see the thickness of matri also. Add one piece of matri and you can see bubbles are coming slowly. So that means oil is at right temperature. We will fry the matri on medium to low heat. Now take some matri and add into the oil. And you can see here it's not sticking to each other. So we can add whole batch of matri that we roll out and cut it out just now into the oil at once, and all can fry in one batch. Fry the matri until it becomes nice golden brown and crispy. And you can see here slowly color of the matri is changing. And here it's perfect golden brown and crispy. Now we can take it out in a plate lined with paper towel, so paper towel can absorb the excess oil out of matri. Here I took the rest half of the dough. Roll the dough. Roll it into a rectangular shape. Now cut the extra corner to make it smooth sides. We can fry these corners also It's like a regular matri. Now here I have some masala from mango pickle. Just take only the masala. If there is any excess pickle piece, take it out. Spread the masala on rolled dough. Now fold it like a Swiss roll. Fold it little tight. Now cut it into small pieces like this. Press individual pieces like this. If you see the corner of this is opening, you can just hold it, pull it towards one side and press it like this so it can get sealed down nicely and it will not open when you will fry in oil. Same way, I'll make all achari matri. Now I will fry achari matri in a medium hot oil and fry it on medium to low heat, and I can add this whole batch once in the oil and fry it until it gets nice golden brown and crispy. And here achari matri is ready also. Let's take it out in a plate lined with paper towel. And here you can see our crispy salted matri or achari matri are ready. And here you can hear the crisp. And our achari matri is also really crispy. You can hear it. You can keep this in an airtight container for up to 3 weeks and you can enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe Ranju's Food Fusion for more recipes and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new recipes.
So with this way, you can make 2 different kinds of matri with whole wheat flour. Please try the recipe and enjoy.